We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding.
Excellent customer service. CPR Cell Phone Repair repaired 2 cracked iPads for me at a reasonable price. They knew I needed my tablets and worked hard to get the job done.
And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we will work very hard to earn both. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.